So now moving on to the next. Now how do you say it is 1 p.m. 1 o'clock in the afternoon? So you can say I told you they use a 24-hour dial. So 1 o'clock in the afternoon will be 13 hours. So 13. It is 13 hours. So that means it is 1 p.m. So for us, it might be a little difficult to understand this. So when someone says il est 13, for us it may be difficult to comprehend because we are so used to using 1 p.m. So we say it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but they say 13. So we need to continue practicing to get used to this way of telling the time. Il est 13. Next one, 2 p.m. So you must have guessed it is il est. So 2 p.m. will be 14 hours. So 14. Next, 3 p.m. 3 p.m. will be 15. Il est 15. Il est 15. It is 3 p.m. Next, 4 p.m. Yes, you must have guessed it is il est. So 4 p.m. will be 16 hours. So 16. 16. Next, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. would be 17 hours. So il est 17 heures. Il est 17 heures. It is 17 hours. Now 6 p.m. is, yes, it is 18 hours. So il est 18 heures. So initially when you're trying to say the time, when someone tells you the time, if they say il est 18 heures, it might be difficult for you and you might have to think before understanding that it is 6 p.m. But as you practice, it will come naturally. So if someone says il est 18 heures, automatically your mind will tell you it is 6 p.m. So moving on to the next. Now 7 p.m. So il est 19. Il est 19 heures. It is 7 p.m. Then 8 p.m. you would say il est. So 8 p.m. will be 20 hours. So il est 20. Il est 20 heures. Then 9 p.m. So 9 p.m. will be 21 hours. So il est 21 is 21. Il est 21 heures. Then 10 p.m. it will be 22 hours. So il est 22 heures. Il est 22 heures. 22 hours. Next, 11 p.m. Similarly, it is il est 23 heures. Il est 23 heures. It is 23 hours. Finally, when you want to say 12 a.m. 12 a.m. that is midnight, you would say il est minuit. Il est minuit. So, to say it is 12 a.m. you say il est minuit. If it is 12 noon, you say il est midi. So these are the two things that are different. For noon it is il est midi. For midnight it is il est minuit. So now you know to say the time when it is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock and so on up to 12 midnight. So now we are going to learn how to say, for example, instead of this, if the time is this. So now you need to incorporate the minutes as well. So when it is 7 p.m, il est 19 heures. So it is 19 hours sharp. When the minutes also come into play, it is slightly different. But first we will learn how to say this. So normally when we say the time is 1:30, right? Il est 1 heure. It is 1 hour, so 1 o'clock and 30 minutes. But you can say 30 minutes, it's not wrong. But the most common way of telling the time is, it is 1:30. So 1 o'clock and half an hour. So the word we use is demi. Demi means half. Il est 1 heure et demi. It is 1 hour and half. 1:30. Il est 1 heure et demi. Similarly, if it is 2:30, you say il est 12 heures et demi. Il est 12 heures et demi. So it is 2 hours and a half. 2:30. Similarly, how would you say when it is 3:30? You would say il est 3 heures et demi. 4:30 would be il est 4 heures et demi. 5:30 il est 5 heures et demi. 6:30 would be il est 6h30. So now, like I already told you, you can write the minutes as it is. 1h et 1:30 would be how many minutes? 30 minutes. What do you say for 30? Do you remember? 30. 30 minuit. So, il est 1h et 30 minuit. So, that is also right, but most people use this because it is easier. Il est 1h30. So, similarly, I am sure you will be able to write 1:30, 2:30, right up to 12:30. So, all you have to do is write the number of hours, 1 or 2 or 3, etc. A demi, it means half past whatever. Now, if it's 1 hour, 1:30, 1:30. So, now you know how to write the time when it is in this form.